Yo, what's up guys? Jared here from Stay in Shape. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to teach you how to do an awesome handstand. Stay tuned. Alright, so before I learned how to do a handstand, I was searching throughout YouTube to find the best tutorial that fits me to learn how to do a handstand. And to my surprise, I didn't find a very efficient tutorial to teach me how to do a handstand. So guess what I did? I developed my own routine to do a handstand, alright? So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you the same easy steps that I took. Well, it's not easy, but now it's easy, but at first it wasn't easy. But these are the steps, the few simple steps that I took to learn how to do a handstand. Watch the video.
Alright, so before you perform the handstand, you need to have a strong core, okay? So one of the best and my favorite exercise to develop a strong core is the bicycle kicks, alright? Basically, you just have to have your knees and your elbows touched, alright? With your hands behind your head. I will perform about 5 sets of these of 20 reps, alright? It seems difficult, it is at first, but as you keep doing it, it will get easier and easier. The second exercise that I do is the plank, alright? I normally hold this for about 30 seconds for 5 sets. Now when you're performing the plank, make sure that you contract your glutes and your abs. To make this even harder, lift your opposite leg and arm, okay? And this will make it even harder, like it's very, very difficult. But if you could perform this variation of the plank, then you are very strong and you have a strong core. Now the third exercise that I do, I don't know what this is called, I should look it up, but basically I just put my hands underneath my buttocks, I spread my legs out like so, and then I lift both legs up, okay? This mostly targets the lower abs, and I perform this for about 30 reps, okay? 30 reps and 5 sets also. Alright, so this is really where I learned how to perform a handstand, okay? You can see that I placed 2 dumbbells on the floor so that my foot could touch the pull-up bar up top. I would flip myself over and make sure that my foot touched the pull-up bar so that I won't flip over. Now, I'm going to slow down the video, okay? You can see my footwork, how I make sure that my foot is barely touching the pull-up bar because I want to support my own weight and perform the handstand with little resistance as I could, okay? To make this even harder, I will make my foot flat so that it won't touch the pull-up bars, so that I won't have any assistance from the pull-up bar, okay? So through time, I got better and better and better, and also I held this position longer and longer and longer. Alright, so this is the second method that I use to perform the handstand, okay? You could use a wall, but in this case, I just use one of the fitness equipment here at the gym. The goal here is to barely touch the wall or whatever that you're using to perform the handstand. You could see that I'm really performing the handstand on my own, but at times I would sway, so I would use the fitness equipment for assistance to bounce myself back into the handstand position, okay? Here is another example. Alright, you can see that I'm in the handstand position. Alright, my legs is barely touching the fitness equipment there for assistance, okay? But overall, I'm really performing the handstand by myself, okay? And like I said, you might sway over, so you can use the wall or whatever that you're using to bounce yourself back into the handstand position. Alright, so after your body starts to get stronger and you start to develop the technique to perform the handstand, you should be able to perform the handstand in about a month, okay? You can see that it's still pretty difficult for me to initiate the handstand at first, okay? Because I know the handstand is not easy, but through time and dedication, you will be able to perform a handstand and get better and better at it.
Alright guys, well I really hope you like my tutorial, right? These are the same exact steps that I took to learn how to do a handstand, alright? The same exact steps. But keep in mind that I performed this routine all right, for 5 days a week, all right? Maximum was 5 days a week, minimum was 3 days a week, all right? So I put in a lot of time and dedication to it. So if you want to learn how to perform a handstand or just accomplish any goal in life, you have to put in time and you have to be persistent at it, all right? So at first, it is going to be difficult. It is, because for me, it was difficult for me, all right? But throughout time, it got easier and easier. And then one day, I just started to do a handstand without any assistance, all right? So make sure that you're putting in time and dedication. Be motivated to want to accomplish the goal of performing a handstand, all right? All right, guys, so I hope you like this tutorial. Make sure you subscribe if you have not subscribed, and also join my Instagram, all right? It's to stay in shape. Join it, all right? I have a few followers on Instagram, so please help me to increase my followers on Instagram by following me on Instagram, all right? All right, guys, I'll see you next time. Peace.